ScrewFix Live 2025. We're having a walk around, and I like to come over to the big wipe stand. I've got Matt who's going to do a quick demo for me. It's a product that is something that it's a stable product that you need to keep in your van or in your workshop, because it is something that Matt's going to explain it. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Hiya, Matt.
Hiya.
You can explain it better than me.
Welcome to the Big Wipes team. So this is carbon black silicone. If you are unfortunate enough to get any of this kind of thing, or any wood repair or filler on your hands or tools or surfaces, you need Big Wipes, heavy duty, scrub and clean, dual-sided, so there's a smooth side and a rough side. Now you immediately put that rough side in contact with what you want trying to clean off. As you can see, the formula is trying to take that out of my hand immediately, and with Big Wipes, it's not a question of will it get it all off, it's just a question of how quickly. And if I am brave and I call it there, that's pretty quick. And all of that muck and grime is then impregnated in the wipe. It's no longer going anywhere. I pretty much got that hand for free. And as long as there's clear, empty fabric, I can carry on cleaning, get those little bits and pieces I missed. As we say, time is money. That was pretty quick. And now I'm back to work in all of about 30 seconds.
Brilliant. We like a quick video. You've got all the products with different lid colours.
We do indeed.
What are they for? Are they all much of a muchness?
No, so what they all have in common is this liquid here. This is our cleaning solution. This is what makes Big Wipe special. And there's about a Coke can worth of liquid in each of these tubs. The difference between them is the fabric. So as we mentioned earlier, you've got the rough side and smooth side in here, and there's heavy duty scrub and clean. Then you've got here our multi-surface cleaning wipes, and they are a bit like a natural cotton, much softer, little micro pores. So any microscopic muck and dirt, that's going to lift that straight away, and it's going to give you a really nice finish.
Yeah. Does it evaporate away then, that moisture?
So the liquid is mainly made from water, and there's only 0.5% of alcohol, so it won't dry your hands out.
Yeah.
But so if you do leave them open, they will dry out over time. But that's why you can either recharge them with the spray, or just turn the roll of fabric upside down, and you can see there's liquid in the bottom of there, and sort of just upend that. Gravity will then do its work. Pop the lid back on, and you're good to go.
That's good. We were just saying about resin wood care products.
So Big Wipe's perfect for that. So anything that's going to start to cure and sort of go hard as you're working, really tough stuff to kind of get off. Really, for that kind of thing, you want Big Wipe Scrub and Clean. And
that will clean your tools as well as your hands.
Hands, tools.
And any of your surfaces
anything like that. But yeah, any of those kind of wood products, you really want Big Wipe Scrub and Clean.
Brilliant. I always like coming over to your stand, whether it be at the painting and decorating show or here. Value for money, it is great. It's a good product.
Brilliant.
Lovely. Thank you, Matt.
No worries at all.